In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching videos using CapCut, focusing on optimizing your content for mobile viewing. CapCut is a versatile tool that's perfect for editing videos, whether you're a beginner or have a little more experience. Let's dive in and start transforming your raw video clips into polished masterpieces ready for sharing. First, let's set up your canvas to the ideal dimensions for platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok. Head over to the Canvas tab within CapCut. Here, you need to ensure your canvas is set to a 9:16 aspect ratio. This tall format is commonly used for mobile content, providing the best viewing experience for your audience. Taking a few seconds to adjust this setting can significantly enhance how your audience interacts with your content on their devices. Next, as you prepare your content, it's crucial to remember that your video should be kept under 60 seconds. Attention spans are short, especially on social media platforms, and keeping your video concise will ensure that your viewers stay engaged from start to finish. Short and captivating videos tend to perform well, drawing in viewers and keeping them interested. So focus on delivering your message clearly and effectively within this time frame. Once you've structured your video and optimized the content, it's time to proceed with exporting your project. Look for the Export button, which should be easily visible within the CapCut interface. Clicking on this button will open up the options you'll need to consider for exporting your video in the best possible quality. As you prepare to export your video, you'll want to choose the resolution and quality settings wisely. Opt for a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels, which ensures your video is high definition and clear on most devices. Selecting a frame rate of 60 FPS or frames per second will result in smooth playback, enhancing the visual appeal of your video. Also make sure your quality setting is adjusted to high. This ensures that the final output looks as crisp and vibrant as possible, retaining all those little details you've worked hard to include. In summary, using CapCut to create striking videos involves setting the correct canvas dimensions, keeping your content short and engaging, and knowing how to export your final video in the best quality possible. Whether you're editing a personal project or crafting content for a larger audience, these steps will guide you towards achieving a professional-looking video. So delve into CapCut, experiment with its features, and see just how much your videos can improve with a few thoughtful adjustments. Happy editing! And I can't wait to see what amazing content you create.